BuildTheWallTv.com. Brian here. Please visit the website and donate. We're going to be doing a lot of good things for this border community. So we're out down here near the border. Those mountains in the background right there, that's Mexico. Just over those hillsides right there is United States. So right down in there is Mexico. We're down in there and we noticed this red truck up here and we decided to come investigate. And we discovered a water drop truck. And we don't know what it is or whose it is. It's been out here for a long time. It's full of water. And you notice all the same crates from Shamrock Farms. Same Sun Vista pinto beans, some granola bars. Coordinates on this truck we have, and we're going to hand over to Border Patrol. But you know what's interesting about this find here is that there's not many places to go from here. There's right here, there's up over this ridge here, and right down in here. I climb back over there, there's only a small valley back there. And then this truck here is cold. The exhaust is cold, the engine's cold, the hood is cold. And what's odd here is that this is how we found it. Oh look, here's some sunscreen. Look at this, guys. There's fruit in here that's spoiling. I'd say this truck's been here for more than a day. No, we didn't. We didn't come here yesterday because we didn't go to that little pond.
Oh, that's right.
We were down there by the border. Anyway, there's something going on here with this, dude. There's something not right about this whole situation here.
Why do you say that?
Well, because the truck's cold. There's somebody has opened some of this food here. Whether they've consumed some of it or just taken some of it with them. Looks like there was a crate here probably that was pulled out. And then why is the truck cold?
There's fresh fruit.
And there's fresh fruit in there that is soft and appears to be spoiling in the sun here. There's no keys in the truck. There's nobody around here. We climbed up to those peaks, and matter of fact, we climbed up to both of those peaks. Well, that one, maybe not that one, that one. And can't see anything. I did find a big turtle up there. Did you? Yeah, there's a turtle. You can believe it. On this mountain, in those rocks up there, there's a great big turtle. I got a photo of it. I'll show you. I'd never seen it. So Josh has walked all this area down in here. This ravine all the way down into here. All this ravine down into here. And nothing. No water drop. No water drop. No signs of anything. Could this be the water drop?
Bring a truck out here that's legal. Nothing anyone can really do about it.
It's conceivable. The cowboy hat right here on the hood. Some cookies. Doors are locked. I don't know, I just have a feeling that something strange is happening right with this. Anyway, so we're late for our dinner. We'll go ahead and pack it up, mark the coordinates, and report this to Border Patrol, and then we'll come back out tomorrow and see what we see. So please visit BuildTheWallTv.com and make a donation. And we're going to do some interesting things with those donations. Thank you.